Okay, what you're going to do is set it upright. I got this facing up, and you're going to look for the screw here and then this little indentation. And what you're going to do is right above that screw head is a hole. And you should meet up with that indentation. I'll zoom in. You can see the hole there and the screw. Alright, so the next thing you'll want to do is get an Allen wrench or a screwdriver or something else and just put it in the hole that you located above the screw head and then that one piece. So an Allen wrench works really good for me since I'm doing it with one hand. And then you'll want to turn this whole assembly here. Just grab it here. This is kind of loose because I've done it a few times, but it really wasn't tight the first time. You just unscrew it kind of clockwise about 10-15 times, and that's it. Came right off. See, that's what it looks like, and that's what in focus looks like. Let's take this Allen wrench out, and there we go. Excellent.